Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Arham Arshman. Today I want to share very useful drink or tea which protect from coronavirus as soon as possible. This drink is strong inflammatory properties, help in its inflammation and swelling up in people. It dissolving in mucus. It relieves nausea, chest congestion, stress and healing propertical to bacteria and treat cough and cold. May protect from chronic disease. So let's get start the video. First of all, I have taken a medium size of ginger, either cut in medium slices. Look here, this type of slices, or with the help of cutter chopped in a small size of pieces, this pieces. Okay, now I have take 2 stick of cinnamon stick. Look this, it is highly in antioxidant, 4 small green cardamoms and 2 cloves. Then turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. इसका रिव्यू मैं आपको दे चुकी हूँ, which is link mention in description box. So let's check my description box link below. And I have to take 4 medium cup of water, 4.5 cup of water in this bowl. I put, look this. After that, all these spices put in this bowl and then put in stoves. And this ginger is squeezed with the help of my hand, squeezed as well in this water. And this drink promote immune system, act as antibacterial, fight from respiratory infection and promote immune system, protect from liver health. So it comes to boil. First boil, then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Look in this video, everything is cooked 5 to 7 minutes and stir slowly 5 to 7 minutes and remove the stove. Then with the help of a strainer, drain out. Look this color. And this drink is very beneficial for diabetic patient because it regulates the level of blood sugar, and it is very helpful for arthritis.